Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at all my fidgets today. So, okay. Now we got a blue light on today. So, first we got this Godzilla puppet. So, the colors are brown and blue. That's the first one. It even has a bendy tail. Okay, next fidget. The second fidget is this circle puppet. The colors are pink, white, blue, yellow, green, and orange. Okay, next fidget. So this is another circle fidget, just like the second one. This one needs to be clean, by the way. The colors are red, orange, yellow, blue, dark blue, and purple. They probably just couldn't fit the whole rainbow in one fidget. So, next fidget. This fidget is the rainbow puppet. All the pops come back up. So that's why I don't like this one. So, I'd rather just move on to the next fidget because you wouldn't like this fidget either. So there's these guys I have. I have 3 of them. Those are like the pop-up guys or like something. Here you go. Dang. Looks like an axolotl. Looks like an axolotl. Bruh. Just hit my head. Okay, next fidgets. This one is the fighter puppet. I have no clue what it is, but I just call it the fighter puppet. So, the colors are red, black, white, and gray. And like a reddish black. Okay, next fidget. This one is the, hold on, this is like a puzzle piece one. These are like all the shapes. All the shape fidgets. But mostly they're puzzles. Block of cheese. This purple house roof, this red one, and this orange one. Okay, so I could try and make something. Okay, so I don't really want to make something right now. This color is orange. It has 6 pops. This one is purple. This one has 12 pops. And 16. So there's 16 pops on this. Oh yeah, there is, because I can count by, there's 8 right here, because there's 4, then 8 right there. So this one has 10 pops. This one has so many pops that I can't count. So, and this one has 6 pops. This one's like a skin color, like a light skin color, and this one's red. Okay, next fidget. Next fidgets. Just getting my other fidgets. Okay, so these are the Squid Game guards. Let's start with this one. This one is red and blue with like a magenta colored. Both colors combined. But this one's the white. This one's the triangle one. ASMR. They are gonna have a really good pop. This one has like a whitish color with a teal, dark blue. With this color, it makes like a. Okay, so with this color, with this dark blue and this whitish color, but I'll call it white. It makes like a light blue. Not like this one, but it's like kind of like this one right here. So, and the teal and the whitish color makes like a light teal. And all the colors combined, I don't know. This teal and the dark blue makes like this beautiful ocean color. This one's the square one. This one is the circle one. The colors are teal, pink, yellow, green, and purple. Green and purple make like this greenish purple color. The yellow and pink make like orange. And the pink and the teal make like that beautiful color. I'll just remove that little. Okay. Next fidgets. This hexagon fidget. So when I went to Disneyland, I didn't record any videos. But when we were on the way there, we got this hexagon fidget. It's pink. And this blue a heart fidget. And don't have any fidgets like this. So those are like I call these like my Disney like California fidgets. Yep, that's their names. And these are sticky neatos. That's what I call them because they stick together. They stick together. See, sticky. Okay, so this one's green and has white filling. And both of the colors combined make light green. Purple with white filling and it makes light purple. This one is color changing, so blue on the outside, pink on the inside, and it makes purple on the outside. Okay, next fidgets. Next fidget. This one. It's like a fidget spinner, but it's an octopus. I don't really like this fidget that much because you can't spin it on the ground. The pops, not really, so. Alright, all the fidgets at the end. From 1 to 10. Next fidget. This snake thing. And I forgot what it's called. But it might be called a snake. And our goal for this video is to get 55 likes. No, just 3 likes. 3 likes. That's our goal for this video. Just to get 3 likes. Because I never get any likes. And I have a TikTok account. It is called Unicorn Light 64. Search that up and follow me. Please. I don't make much videos on my TikTok account. Because I don't really make make videos because I don't think I like to make TikTok videos on TikTok. So, but I do have 20 followers. Can't count my videos though. Okay, that's the snake. Next, fidget. This mini skateboard. This skateboard. And this skateboard. This one says almost. It's black. It's like a nail filer. The colors are blue, purple, teal, red, orange, yellow, teal. This looks like a dark teal. And I can't really look at the colors. Okay, so this one, the colors are black, blue, red, green, white, black, red, dark red. This one has green, black, red, dark green. Next fidget. This Among Us puppet. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I don't think it has all the colors on it, but it's a cool puppet to play with. This unicorn puppet. I'm pretty sure this is my first puppet that I've ever had, so it's kind of old. So, the colors are purple, blue, teal, light teal, yellow, and orange. Doesn't have red. Oh, this is one of this triangle is green. It's like it's to those other pieces with the block of cheese. This puppet bracelet has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Pipe's really nice, and I call it a bracelet because it goes on your wrist kind of, but it like pops out like that. So I don't know exactly what to call it, but I just call it a poppet bracelet. It's Burger Poppet. So I have another fidget exactly like this. It looks exactly like it, but I won't show you till later. So it's a really good puppet. I like it. Plus it makes me hungry. This car puppet has teeny tiny pops on the wheels. So it's a really fun puppet to play with. Maybe sometimes these little wheels pop up, but what I love about it is just where you just glide your finger on the wheels and it just pops. Hear it. I just love that. Okay. This massage ball. I think I have more. Yep, I have different colors. I call these massage balls because they feel like it massages you. So just like do this with both hands and it feels so nice. So next fidget. So I love those fidgets, I like it. And now these massage rings. Just getting them out. Saw gold and silver. So you just rub it on your finger and then it just massages. just massage it. You could do it on multiple fingers. I don't have 5, but I do have 4, which is almost my whole hand. So, I like them, but I don't really like them that much. I like them, I just don't like them that much. That's what I meant. So, next fidgets. These are my favorites. Mochis. There's one more mochi. Missed one. Squishy mochis. I think I got this shell one in 2nd grade. This dog one, I just had it for a long time and I forgot I had it. This little sheep, white squishy sheep, and this green bunny. This one has purple and white, green, pink, and white. Those are the colors for all of them. So, let's put them to the side. Next fidgets. This thing, I forgot what it was called. I forgot what it's called. But it is really satisfying to play with it. Perfect, exactly the same, just a little different. So that's a really fun fidget. I like it. I love it actually. This is another one of those massage balls. And more massage rings. Got more than 5. I got 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, no. 4. Touching 5 and 6. 6 rings. Massage rings. To be specific. I just found 2 more. Oh no, my foot fell asleep. So I would just, ow. Okay, I forgot to show you guys this octopus puppets. It's a cute octopus puppet. The face, the colors are red, white, and purple. Light purple with the white and the purple. And mine like pinkish red with red and white. So, next fidget now. This Mickey purse. It's a Mickey puppet purse. This Among Us puppet. Mini Among Us puppet. Works well, but 5 pops and the colors are pink and white. The 2 colors combined is light pink. So, next fidget. Fidget spinners. This one has the rainbow, and this one has orange, pink, blue, green, white, and yellow. Can't really look at it as good, really. So, next fidget. This Simple Dimple, pink Simple Dimple. It's Chasmere Cat. And this alligator mochi. Did I have 1? I have 5 mochis. So now it's time to put them away. Gonna put these mochis in here. There. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys this infinity cube. Okay. Pop tube. Don't worry, I have more. It's a red one. There's another one in one of my other purses. Both of them combined. If I had more, I would be able to make a jump rope. But I don't. This one's a big one. And this one's this one's a long one. This one's a big one. But they pop really good. So I can put those to the side for now. Oh, I didn't even realize I had more skateboards. Black, white. The colors are black, white, pink. That's pretty much it. So this one's blue, yellow, and black. Just basic. Monkey noodles. Orange and yellow. Put these to the side because I have more. The colors, this one's another fidget spinner with small pops. The colors are black, orange, yellow, pink, purple, green. So those are the colors. This pizza poppet. There's a yin yang on this one. So this poppet looks really realistic, kind of, if you pop it in. But if you pop it out, like, if you look at it from a different angle, it doesn't look as realistic because you know it's a puppet. But if you look at it like this way, it looks a little bit realistic. Oh no! This one has a smiley face. Smiley face, sad boss. Yeah, my foot. Okay. This jumbo Mickey pop. Move out of the way, skateboards. Okay, the colors are blue, teal, yellow, red, and pink. This is too big to pop, so I'll just put it on my bed. Oh yeah, this burger puppet. It's exactly like that burger puppet I had a while ago. It's exactly the same. The oranges might be a little bit different, but I have tons more monkey noodles in here. These are little skinny ones that might hurt more. Nope. Let's try the blue. Nope. They all don't hurt, but it's really cool to have these because you could like twist them, stretch them, hurt yourself with them. These are really cool. I love them. They don't hurt at all. There's this and another blue one. It's bigger and thicker. And these two other green ones. This one has like a nice texture. It might be, yeah, it could be a brush. You could brush your hair with it. But it might hurt. But it has a really soft like texture to it. And this one is a bracelet. Just stick its head up the side of its butt. And got yourself a monkey noodle bracelet. So these are really cool fidgets. I love them. One time I'll put them back in this burger first. Okay. You might be surprised of how I got so many fidgets. It's because I love fidgets, so that's why my mom gets them for me. That's a little Among Us puppet. The colors are pink and orange. With the combination, I don't really know because there's multiple. So I'll just put that. Okay. Now this skull puppet. Colors are red, orange, yellow, teal, yellow, and yellow, teal, blue, and purple. So I got this at Knott's Berry Farm in California a long time ago. So now this rainbow purse has lots of fidgets. This orange Nito with white filling and it has light orange. I forgot I had that one. Little square poppet. Pink, light baby blue, and teal. So bracelet. Pink, white, blue, and blue. And the combinations are like purple, light blue, and light pink. So those are the combinations. It's like Mr. Beast colors, but I don't even watch him. Another red pop tube. But this one is longer. It's like the orange one, but different. It's just different colors. So red, orange, red. Another puppet bracelet. Blue, purple, and white. The combinations are light blue, light purple, both blue and purple make this like weirdish blue, white, purple color. That's all the colors combined. But this one's my favorite. The big pop, I like it. I love it. So now this unicorn bracelet. White and purple. Light purple for the combinations. So there's little kids watching this and they like unicorns. Ask your parents to buy you this because it has a unicorn on it, obviously. Pea popper! But most people call it that pea popper, but I call it pea puppet. But I'm going to call it pea popper now. So I don't know why this has so much oil on it. So much oil. Okay. Oh, more massage balls. There's so many. Red, blue, yellow, 2 purples, and green. They all going back in. Oh wait, I forgot to stuff these back in the burger purse. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I have to rate the fidgets. All these monkey noodles, these monkey noodles, I would rate them a 9 out of 10. These stick monkey noodles, I would rate them an 8 out of 10. This one a 10 out of 10. I just love the texture. So, these Neatos, obviously a 10 out of 10. I just love them. I just love them so much. Plus they're sticky, so that's fun to play with because you can throw them onto the ceiling. So, see, they all stick together as one abomination. Okay. This Burger Poppet, a 9 out of 10. It's really good. But it makes me hungry, so that's why it lost 1 point. These pop tubes, 10 out of 10. Just love the sound. Just love how stretchy it is. Just love how loud they are. These massage balls. Yeah, I'd rate them a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, it's pretty good, but they could brush your hair too, actually. So, they're really good. This square puppet, a 9 out of 10. This little fidget, obviously a 9 out of 10. This fidget, this bracelet, an 8 out of 10. Just hard to pop, and some YouTuber I don't watch at all. So, that's why I lost 2 points. This one, it's a 9 out of 10 because I don't like unicorns anymore. I'm too old for them. So, this Among Us Puppet, definitely an 8 out of 10. Too soft. And it's see-through. So, you can see through it a tiny bit. So, you can see light through it. But it is really cool to see blue lights through it. It's really cool, but not too cool. It's not like a 9. It's not a 9 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10. This one, a 10 out of 10. I just absolutely love the colors. I love the pops. It's amazing. It's like an actual bracelet where you just like pop this little thing through the holes. Just like that, and it secures. I just love it. The big pop, I love it. The colors, I love it. The pea popper, a 9 out of 10. I just can't pop this one. So, that's a 9 out of 10. So, that's Infinity